Key features of the FCC-300 include extra durable, compact, and highly reliable for connector end face cleaning, suitable for cleaning in the field and factory. Automatic clean and advanced tape technology provides a fresh cleaning surface for each use, eliminating waste and guaranteeing long tool life. Packaged in a handy palm-sized unit for over 500 cleanings. Works with both simplex or duplex applications and supports both PC and APC end face designs. ESD anti-static materials. Stable, consistent cleaning performance regardless of operator skill thanks to its patent-pending slide guide connector holder. Can be used on the following connectors: